they wanna play into the beef. My niggas gon' put you to sleep. All of those niggas is weak. Can't you see? Ay, we don't act the same, cause I'm living in 2029. Ay, I done seen it all. Sometimes I had to crawl, but just know I'm fine. Ay, you know I got your bitch with me, rolling with me, looking pretty, cause I am that guy. Ay, take 2 steps back, look around on the ground. You lay there till you die. You die. Ay, shit, it just started snowing. That's just what I need. Niggas think I'm God, my blood is what I bleed. Stalking you from up above, Assassin's Creed. They say they do not know me, they copying my steeds. I don't play around, you should know this. Like chicken wings, I'ma leave you niggas boneless. Should keep it to myself, but I wanna fuck that hostess. After one night, that bitch becomes atrocious. Okay, sometimes I just think of things I should discuss. Am I changing for the worse? Have I done enough?